see. I don't really have much selection in here.
They don't have like any juices.
Oh, you have this?
But I feel like the movie has a little
Oh, that's it.
I hope it's good.
Yeah. I think I had it once.
Oh, they have the lounge here. Why don't I take that?
I stopped smoking for a long time. If it's not tobacco free. Hmm? Aren't you walking with two ladies? But them are low?
No, I'm talking about the girls too.
Oh.
Look at these ones.
Good. Okay. I think so.
Can you just walk like that? Or I don't know how.
Oh, jaywalking? I think we can jaywalk.
Wait, isn't it not going up to like?
Who? Oh, across the street. Never seen them before and we're leaving. Yeah, we the newbies on the block. Red line. Yeah, where's the fruits at? Oh, my foot up on me. Ooh. Yeah, these running shoes. These are brand new. I'm gonna wear them twice. What's this? Cocktail bar and food. Red Lion. It's pub. It's pub food. Oh, McDonald's right here.
I'm
We
thinking
can go
of
to McDonald's.
McDonald's and Holiday Day.
What the hell? I thought it was a car for a second. Ooh. Ooh, get it. Ooh. Let them having little rides for me. I saw it hot. This one here, I saw it hot in a marina shirt over there. Are you supposed to be walking? Oh my god. Oh wait, yeah. It says green for walk. It does say green for pedestrians to walk, so we are supposed to walk. This is where we at for a couple of days. Well, I should say 5 days. Almost a week. Strip is nice. Lisa, you're walking so fast. Look, wraps, pizza. You want McDonald's? What else is down here? Argentine grill restaurants. Maybe, yeah. Should be good. What's this? I don't know what that is. Oh, it's kind of chilly. It's a bit chilly. Sushi. Pizza pop. is
I don't know what's that. No, he's bigger.
tacos. Dead. Something else dead.
Bro, honestly, I
Okay. Casino.
What else?
Damn. Ain't shit.
I feel like they have stuff, but it's just either you have to Uber or.
Yeah, remember the restaurants that I looked up, they weren't like, they were like
No,
more
I'm gonna
so.
just get McDonald's. You want to eat tonight? Like, what
I
do you
don't
want to
know. I don't know what I want to do. The restaurants were like 5-6 minutes. A couple of them are like 8-9 minutes drive from here. You got a bus since? Huh?
So I'm wondering if this is good.
I wonder if there's pasta or something. Gives me pasta vibes.
It's too heavy right now.
Yes, McDonald's be going in. Huh? What are you gonna get? Oh, look, they have a McFlurry. Those cookies.
I think we should get those chicken.
They have chicken wings. I wonder what that tastes like.
I'm thinking, should I get a burger or should I get friggin' nuggets? Dad, look at this. Okay.
Whoa, wait. Triple chicken mayo. That's interesting.
Wait, so they don't have Big Macs?
They have tomato fish.
You're getting that?
I don't know, maybe.
Oh, you like that?
Yeah.
I need this.
It has to be hot though for it to taste good.
Oh.
They have wedges as fries. Dead.
Oh, select your side?
We got wedge fries. Cheese fries. Ooh, they got
That's where it's not
Fanta.
even in. Oh.
Just got my food. First meal. So far, fries ain't got enough salt. I know that's bad to say. Not enough salt. Why does the apple juice look like that? Normally it looks like yellow, right? Like
Maybe it's yellow.
fresh, I guess, apple juice. I don't know. It's different. You guys is good? You tried the wedges or no? What about the ketchup?
I feel like ketchup is not really good. It's gonna taste the same anyway. But I was
That's what my chicken looks like. I'm gonna try it. Let's see.
the chicken is good.
Yeah, cause look. Doesn't look like, you know, what it's supposed to look like at home.
I don't know why I ordered these fries, man. Just to get some type of seasoning on it. I don't know after it's good. But what is this? I'll just make another then.
This is regular. I feel like the McChicken at home
Tastes better?
1,000 times better.
Man, this better be
Check.
just the fact that that's taking that.
It's not hitting. Try to catch up now. Oh yeah. Ketchup is good. Just like ketchup.
This is probably the last time I have coffee.
Just barbecue sauce. Y'all can't see it. I don't know what's going on with my camera. Ooh, hit me. Squeezing out the one, the barbecue sauce. The barbecue
Actually, you
sauce.
know what? I don't know if I like the. It kind of tastes a lot more vinegary.
I like this different, but it's like I taste it barbecue sauce. I like dry. Normally the Big Mac's more at home, right?
I think so. I don't really order Big Mac often.
Yeah, it's normally
Actually,
it's
I
more.
actually got the chicken nuggets today.
Oh yeah.
The chicken that's hungry.
Otra vez, porque yo quiero hueve dinero, yo quiero estar. No le acuerdo, no entiendo nada, yo no sabe qué cosa.
How is that possible?
Yeah,
True.
I feel like that's
Just
Yo he
give them a
cobrado,
refund the
yo he
money.
cobrado cuando dinero, 23, 60.
So
Tú
if
no
we didn't
dices,
buy
ella no
something,
sabe.
we did buy something.
¿Cómo mirarlo? Cobrando. Yo
Pero
una cosa, está cobrando ya, ¿no? En esta cuenta, con el Unicaja. Yo un lunes pasa ahí, pero con la martes. Madre mía, porque se lo está cobrando. Yo digo, no sabe qué cobrando. ¿Quieres más consulta con ella? Cuarta, ¿cobrando o no cobrando?
Cobrando, ¿no? Está cobrando ya, ¿no? No, porque vamos a...
Cuarta, ¿cobrando o no cobrando?
Cobrando, ¿no? Está cobrando ya, ¿no? No, porque vamos a volver el dinero con ella, porque está cobrando dos veces. Sí, pero ella está...
Hola.
How are you?
Good, thanks.
Okay, cool. Which part?
Toronto.
Toronto. Cool. I've never been.
Oh, you should come and visit.
Yeah. One of my best friends lived there actually when we were young. When we were like 20 something.